This question is very simple. Find the gradient of a line through the points 1, 2 and 4, 11. To solve this question is very simple. Recall the formula for the gradient of a line given 2 points. M is equals to y2 minus y1 over s2 minus x1. So what we are going to do is from the question, this is our x1, this is our y1, this is our x2, this is our y2. So I will substitute. So this will be 11 minus 2 over 4 minus 1. So that becomes 11 minus 2 is 9 over 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 here, 1, 3 here, 3. So the gradient of this line given this point is m is equal to 3. Stop wasting time. It is simple.